I believe I can freaking fly. No. Okay. Hey guys, it's me, John, and hang on. Welcome again, guys. That's right, we are celebrating 1st anniversary of my new YouTube channel. Thank you so much about this. If you subscribe to my channel next times, I'm gonna give you more celebrations. It's very fun and realistic. I want to give you everything what you got, guys, and it's all easier and it's all done. I'll see you everything what you got me for this next episode. For now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Junkstaria is out.